What's up guys, this is Preston with Adro Inc. and today we have a very special project behind us, the Tesla Model S, and our new carbon fiber aero program for this vehicle. We're going to take you through the journey of how to install this kit from front to back, so let's go ahead and take a look. So starting out with the front of the vehicle, we have our carbon fiber front lip. Of course, with all of our kits, we have all the included pieces such as double-sided tape, self-tappers, and other hardware that you may need for installation. So we're going to go ahead and get started and get the front lip prepped for installation on this Tesla Model S. Alright guys, so as you can see, the front lip was a breeze to install. A couple pieces of double-sided tape, 4 self-tappers, and this thing fits like a glove. Should take you about only like 5 to 10 minutes in your own front yard, or if you don't feel comfortable, feel free to take it to a certified professional. So next up, we've got the car turned around up on the lift. We've got a handful of 10mm bolts that we've got to take out. So let's go ahead and remove those. We're going to remove the outer perimeter and then this center tow hook area. The underbody tray is going to stay there. It's going to be retained for our diffuser install. So let's get to removing that in preparation to put our Adro carbon fiber diffuser in. So as you can see, you need a little persuasion to pull out. These tabs are pretty tight, but we're gonna retain them, so you wanna be a little gentle or firm when you are pulling them, and make sure that you're not too caught up so you don't rip all the way through that tab, rendering it useless. But there are enough of them spread out across the rear bumper that if there's one that is slightly damaged, it's not too bad of a problem. So now that we got this removed, we're just doing some wipe down, and then we're gonna fit up the rear diffuser to the back of the car. All right, so now that we've got all the bits and pieces off of the Tesla Model S, we're gonna take a quick look at this product. So this product, as you'll see, it really resembles a lot of our quality fit and finish. All the way down from the mounting tabs that go all the way around the perimeter. And likewise, there's no hardware included with this because it's all included on the vehicle. That's right, we are reusing the OEM hardware to mount this to the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and get on over to the Model S and get it mounted up. So as you guys can see, the rear diffuser was a breeze to install. You've got the 3 bolts on each side, 10mm, and just some tabs to deal with removing the OEM one. Of course, for reassembly, there's no 3M tape, all OEM hardware, and using the OEM fasteners. So you'll just repeat and reinstall, and you'll be complete and have something just like this. So next up on the Model S carbon fiber program, we have the rear trunk spoiler. A very install, you guys have seen this plenty of times, but for those who haven't, this is how you'll get it installed. Of course, supplied in this package, we have our adhesion promoter and our 3M tape. So we're gonna go ahead and flip over the spoiler and get this all prepped for installation. All right, so we've got the rear trunk spoiler all prepped and ready to go. Now, one tip that I like to share with everyone is when you do apply the 3M tape on it, go ahead and pull some back so you have a tab. So once you're on the surface of the vehicle, you can make any adjustments and it could slide along this backing. And then once you've got it in the perfect position, you go ahead and just rip out that tab and you're in the perfect spot. guys, so the time has come and we are on our last and final step, the side skirts. As you can see here, we've got both of them in front of me, along with the supplied hardware, 3M tape, and adhesion promoter. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna prep the surfaces on the side skirts, prep the paint surface with our adhesion promoter. From there, we're gonna go ahead and apply our 3M tape, pull the tab back so it's easier for installation. And then last but not least, we've got the supplied hardware to really get those snugged in and attached to the vehicle. All right guys, well this concludes the Tesla Model S installation guide for our newest addition to our Aero program. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to hit us in the comments or send us an email at support@adro.com. But of course, I think we need to bless you guys and enjoy the montage.